Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the Wi-Fi is keeps disconnecting and connecting on Windows 11. So let's fix it. Fix number one is open the device manager. You can search the device manager here, or you can right click on the start menu and then open your device manager. And once you open the device manager from here, look for the network adapter here. And this is the network adapter. Expand that and look for your Wi-Fi. It can be Realtek, Intel or other manufacturer, but you have to look for the Wi-Fi which says Wi-Fi. Right click on it and look for the properties and choose the options to power here. If power option is not showing up here, what you can do is you can go to the advanced tab here and look for the options transmit power. Select this option transmit power and value should be highest. And once you select the transmit power, it is directly related to this setting. It will transmit now the highest one, and then you will see the OK options here and see if that is working for you or not. If that is still not working for you, we have the next fix for you. Open your system setting, then you will see here network and internet. Open that option and now look for your connected Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and then you will see here manage known networks, and you have to simply choose the options to forget your known Wi-Fi network, and you have to again put password again and see if that is working for you or not. If that is still not working for you, expand it from side like this and choose it from public Wi-Fi to private Wi-Fi. And once you saved the setting here, see if that is working for you or not. If that is still not working for you, that what you can do is you have to also tick this option connect automatically when in range. So this should be automatically ticked, so we can ignore it now. Next step is open the run command here and type the command ncpa.cpl on the search and then click on OK. Your Wi-Fi should be listed here. Make a right click on it, choose the options to properties, Internet Protocol version 4, properties, and select this option. I have already selected use the following DNS 8.8.8, 8.8.4. This is the Google's DNS. Select it and the first option should be obtain and DNS automatically on your Windows. Select it, apply and OK, and it should fix the issue since the traffic will be routed through the Google's DNS. Also, you can right click on your adapter, disable it once, and once you disable it, it will refresh the setting, all the setting related to this Wi-Fi adapter, and enable it. Also, you have the options to diagnose it automatically on your Windows. You can reset the network test like this. On screen instructions you can follow here, like restart adapter, restart modem, restart your PC. Also, restarting modem is also necessary. Sometimes the issue is from the router sent, not from your PC. Restart your also modem, Wi-Fi modem, and see if that is working for you or not. If that is still not working for you, then you can look for the options to update your Wi-Fi driver here with the help of device manager. Look for network adapter again, look for your Wi-Fi, right click, update driver, and update it on Windows. You can also search the updated driver on update and check for update, resume the update and see if that is working for you or not. These steps should fix the issue. If these steps are also not working, then we can also look for the options network reset. Network reset, just search it, network reset, and this will reset your network here. After that, again you have to enter the password of Wi-Fi and see if that is working for you or not. Since we have done everything like Wi-Fi driver update and everything, and if that is still not working, then you can also test the hardware of your Wi-Fi adapter. Sometime due to the hardware issue, you can type here ping 127.1.1.1, and this is the physical card. We are testing our physical card, the self testing, and if you are getting reply properly here, that means that there is no hardware issue on your Windows. But if any request timeout is coming up, that means that the Wi-Fi is itself disconnecting from your hardware. In that case, you have to replace your Wi-Fi card, and if the reply is coming up like this without any request timeout or delay, so we can go to the browser here, and I hope you know your model number, system model number. So let's say you are using Lenovo laptop or system, look for Lenovo drivers, and you can see the options to detect your PC, or you can put your serial number here, open CMD normally, type WMIC CS product, and you will get your serial number here, copy and paste it, and I will use the Dell drivers here to show you just the right way to download any Wi-Fi driver on your Windows. Just allow it, and now search it. No thanks. And you can look for the options, check for update. This will automatically fetch all the pending drivers on your Windows. But if you are not in that position, that you can look for a specific driver here and choose your operating system. This is very important here, Windows 10 or 11. Choose it, and now on the key search here Wi-Fi, press enter, and it will fetch the latest driver. This, as you can see here, it has fetched this driver. Click on download, and it will install the latest driver for you as for the date. Open it, install it on your Windows, hit yes. And this is the right way to fix this issue, since we have done everything. And restart your Windows once the driver is installed on your computer. So I hope guys you have figured it out and troubleshoot the issue with the help of this video. If yes, do let me know in the comment box. Hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.